In this video, I'm going to show you how to export or save your video when you are done. When you're done editing and you've done a complete video, you finished it, it's good, and now you want to have it on your phone gallery, all right, so that you can upload it on social media, wherever. All right, so once you're done and you've edited, everything is done, okay, you click on the top right. So you have two options there: save. In this case, you can save and always come back to it at any point in time, so you don't lose your work. So even if you're not done, just save and go and do other stuff, then come back and finish designing. Or if you're done completely, you can export it. All right, so let's click on export. Once you click on export, you have two options there: auto or manual. With manual, you can change the settings. Maybe you want to reduce it or increase the output. So if you want to increase it, you have to go to 4K. The texture, the output, everything will be perfect at 4K. But please, that's a lot of memory, and you don't want that happening, because the truth is, when you have too much high resolution on your video, when you upload it on any of these platforms, social media platforms, they will shrink the resolution for you, so they will even reduce the quality of your video more. So the best thing is to play safe. 1080 pixels is good enough. All right, if you go to 4K, that's really high quality. Now you can actually do it if you have good memory on your phone. The higher the quality, the higher the space it will occupy. And then even when you upload it on YouTube, YouTube would still try to shrink it. All right, many of these platforms shrink their videos just so that the loading time will not be too long for people to view, because if people come to their platform and they wait for a video to load before they watch it, they will leave the platform. So many of these platforms tend to reduce the size or the weight of your video, and by that they reduce the resolution. So better reduce the resolution from here to save yourself too much of reduction when it goes to them. All right, and then any other settings here, but actually I prefer to just leave it at auto. Okay, and with auto, it gave me 720p. I mean, that's even good enough. All right, and it's telling me the size is 92.13 megabytes. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and click on export. All right, and once you click on export, it will start loading, and to tell you do not lock your screen. I'm not sure how it does on Android, if it tells you not to lock your screen also, but I know when I use Android, it doesn't tell me that, and I can go and do other things and it will download. But iPhone tells you to wait. Don't do any other thing. Just look at your screen. Don't lock it. Don't leave the app and all of that. Just hold you ransom. But Android doesn't do that. But just make sure you walk along with the phone that you have. So that's how you export your video, right? I'm going to cancel this. If you want to save it, it's a different case. We're going to click on the save button, and then it's saved. So anytime you come to the InShot app, it will be there as one of the projects waiting to be edited by you. And once you're done, once you want to edit it, you just click on it and it opens. All right, so let's click on save. The three dots here will lead you to other options like sharing your project, applying a template, renaming the file. Maybe you want to give it a name, duplicating the file, so that, let's click on duplicate. What that means is that it will open up another file for you. All right, and then you had the last option there, which was delete. So this is basically it when it comes to the VN app, from the point of designing and exporting to your gallery.